Did you know that there are over 32,000 different species of fish in the world? That's more than all the species of amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals combined. Fish have been around for over 500 million years, making them one of the oldest vertebrate groups on Earth. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny Petacyprus progenetica, which is only about 7.9 millimeters long, to the massive whale shark, which can grow up to 40 feet in length. Fish have some incredible abilities too. Some species can change their sex during their lifetime, like the clownfish. Others, like the electric eel, can generate electric shocks of up to 600 volts to stun their prey. Did you know that the goldfish has a memory span of about 3 months? Contrary to popular belief, they don't have a 3-second memory. Fish are also vital to our ecosystem. They help control algae growth, provide food for other animals, and even act as bioindicators for water quality. Some fish, like the humphead wrasse, play a crucial role in coral reef ecosystems by keeping populations of destructive animals in check. But not all fish are harmless. The stonefish is considered the most venomous fish in the world, with venomous spines that can cause excruciating pain and even death if not treated promptly. So, next time you're near the water, remember to watch your step. So, there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about fish that showcase just how diverse, unique, and important these underwater creatures are. Whether you're a fish enthusiast or just curious about the underwater world, there's always something new to learn about these incredible creatures.